Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update business information on Google Maps in 2026. So if your business details are wrong or outdated, this is how you fix it step by step. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed in with the Google account that manages the business. Next, type your business name in the search bar and select your listing from the results. Now click on your business profile to open the full details page, where you'll see address, hours, contact info, and more. Look for the Edit Profile or Suggest an Edit option. This is where you can start updating information. Now update the details like business name, category, phone number, website, or opening hours. Make sure everything is accurate before saving. If your location is incorrect, you can also move the map pin to the correct spot on the map. Once you're done, click Submit or Save Changes. Google may review your updates before publishing them. After a short time, your updated information will appear on Google Maps for everyone to see. And if you're a verified business owner, using Google Business Profile gives you faster control over edits and updates. So that's how to update business information on Google Maps in 2026. Keeping your details accurate helps customers find you easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.